What's up, YouTube? So I had a bunch of requests, and some people were asking how I tie my knots for catfishing. So put up some stuff on Instagram. Figured I'd just do a quick video to show you guys kind of the quickest, easiest, most efficient way that I currently use. This one here, I got one of the big octopus circle hooks, the 8/0 from Team Catfish, right here. And for a good live bait, if you're chucking out some large bullheads, trying to catch some flatheads, or if you're using some bluegills or something like that, it's a great method. Or I mean, you could chuck on a handful of worms or whatever too. But so got a hook. Get your standard line. I mean, you can pick up anything. I use this high visibility stuff because it doesn't really matter colors really for catfishing anyway. I think this one's like 50 or 60 pound. I kind of ripped off that part of it, but I think it's like 50 pound. Maybe just take a section of the line here and then you can snip it off. That's going to be made leader. And then what you're going to do, you're going to take your hook here, take the line, you're going to stick it through the front of the eyelet, come up along the back here, that's kind of like where you're going to grip it. And you're going to take tag end here and you're going to twist it around and try and get it fairly tight together, and then go around. And they say it doesn't matter how many times you go around this, you know, you go 6, 7, 8 times. And then what you want to do is once you get it tied around, you're going to take your tail end and you're going to come up through the eye loop the other direction and then just pull it taut, and that will bring everything together nice and pretty. And then you have that. So a lot of people just take that there and then snip off the end, which I do snip off the end like so. But I go one step farther, just to have like super reassurance this isn't going anywhere. You can sometimes tie off this end, make a little knot in this, and then have that there, but I don't like extra stuff sticking out because it catches on weeds, and depending where you're at, if you're down in Philly, you'll catch a bunch of trash floating down. Just little tags like that can be a super annoyance. So I just grab a lighter and then just be super careful this that you're not heating up your actual line, but you want to heat up the end. And you're just going to melt that sucker down and then push that into place. And what that's going to do, it's going to make like a little burr, so that way we can't pull through, and it's also going to keep it flush on the hook, so it's not going to catch any crap or any of that debris or anything. And it's been working extremely well for me. I've been going out fishing pretty much every day for like the past 2 years. Rain, snow, whatever, I'm out there. But that's the best way that I've found for tying these hooks. You can go out and buy them too, of course, already done. Or you get snagged on stuff, you're gonna go through quite a bit. That's the best way, and that's for that. And you can, you know, put on a basic simple loop here and tie that on, or you can add a swivel to this, whatever you guys want to do. I mean, I'll possibly make other videos for that because I get more in depth with some fancier stuff as I go along, but that's your best way to do a no tie snell. And I mean, that ain't going nowhere. These things are great. So hopefully it helps out, and if you guys have any more suggestions or any tips or want to see anything else, just let me know. I'm going to try and put up some more videos here for us and get things going, but hopefully that helps you guys. I know with this quarantine and Rona crap going on, everybody and their mother is fishing right now. So if you're just learning, you know, good tips like this will help out, and just keep on fishing. But I'm out. Thank you.